This week, you are learning about animals and specifically farm animals. We are going to be reading a book called Life on the Farm, Farm Animals. Farm Animals, Life on the Farm, written by Lynn M. Stone. Many North American farmers raise animals. Farmers raise animals for meat, milk, eggs, and wool. Farmers sell these products to earn a living. Beef cattle, sheep, hogs, and chickens supply most of these products. Long ago, American farmers used some kinds of farm animals to do farm work. Working farm animals are not often used now. Machinery and equipment have taken their place. Most modern animal farms raise one kind of animal for sale. A dairy farm raises cattle that give large amounts of milk. A dairy farmer is not likely to raise sheep or hogs, too. Farm animals are also called domestic animals or livestock. Farmers have raised domestic animals for thousands of years. Domestic animals are much tamer than their wild cousins. They are used to being around people. The most common farm animals are cattle, horses, sheep, hogs, chickens, and turkeys. A few farmers in North America raise goats, donkeys, rabbits, mules, ducks, geese, and guinea fowl. Farmers raise many breeds of each kind of farm animal. Each breed is a little different than the others. The Holstein breed of dairy cattle, for example, gives more milk than any other cattle breeds. Many dairy cattle are raised on small family-owned farms. Most cows on dairy farms are female. Female cows give us milk and cream. Milk and cream can be made into butter, ice cream, cheese, and yogurt. Most beef cattle are raised on big ranches in Florida or the West. Beef cattle are used for meat. Before cars and tractors, people needed horses. People rode horses from place to place. Draft horses plowed fields and pulled wagons and sleighs. Farmers today raise horses mostly to ride for fun. A few farmers still use draft horses to pull or plow. Draft horses are heavier than riding horses. They have stronger, thicker legs too. Farmers raise hogs for their meat. Bacon and ham are two of the meat products from hogs. Farmers raise hogs in pens, either indoors or outdoors. Pigs outdoors like to stay in mud pools. They also like to poke their snouts into soil to find food. Hogs eat mostly corn and grain, as most farm animals do. Sheep are raised for both meat and wool. Wool is the thick, warm hair that covers sheep. Mother sheep are called ewes. Their babies are called lambs. They sometimes have twins or triplets. Goats are close cousins of sheep. Most North American goat farmers raise goats for milk and goat cheese. Young goats are called kids. Birds raised on farms are called poultry. The most common kinds of poultry in North America are chickens and turkeys. Turkeys are the biggest farm birds. They sometimes weigh more than 40 pounds. Farmers raise chickens for meat and the eggs they lay. Turkeys, ducks, and geese are raised for meat alone. On the first page, we see an Iowa blue breed rooster crows on a poultry farm. On the second picture, we see these geese parade across a pasture they share with dairy goats. Which animal is the largest? What farm animal did you like the best? Think about the characteristics of that animal and use some words that describe it. What does it look like? How many legs does it have, or does it even have legs? Does it have wings? What kind of nose does it have? What color is it? Does it have a tail? What sound does it make? Choose 2 farm animals from the book Farm Animals and create a picture of them both. Tell a family member what animals you chose and the characteristics of each animal. Why did you choose those 2 specific animals? How are they the same? How are they different? Do they make the same sound? Draw a picture and send it to me on Class Dojo.